Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PULM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, so instead of each one of those candlesticks, as they're called, represent an entire day, each one is 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's just today's price action, Monday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support that stands out is right here at, we'll just call it the $2 mark. And that would be what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above that $2 mark. Now, with that being said, if the price drops below it, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $2 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward. Whole bunch of times today, the price got right up around this $2.95 mark. And can never quite get through. So I realized a couple of times the price did slightly get up above it, but there's other times where the price didn't quite hit it. So I'm just kind of splitting the difference there and calling that the middle ground there. But all in all, I think everybody can agree that the general price congestion area right up around 295. So that'll be the key break going into Tuesday. All in all, though, crazy movement today, great volume. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.